Hi, I'm Jenna, and today we're going to be talking about how Grata's Agentic Search provides market-level insights, supporting with early industry exploration. Ask for attractive acquisition ideas in the verticals you care about and get curated, market-informed suggestions. If initial ideas don't hit the mark, dig deeper by asking higher-order questions like which segments have the highest margins or the strongest growth signals. Agentic Search answers your queries by suggesting new subsectors to investigate. Explore these adjacencies or continue to ask for recommendations for other directions, expanding your understanding of the broader market landscape. Agentic Search doesn't just identify opportunities, it surfaces the companies within them and lets you refine further by revenue, operating model, funding model, and more. Even in narrow or niche verticals, Agentic Search continues to surface new angles to explore, helping you build a smarter picture of the market.